Hey guys, how's it going? This is Xpodic. So I have a Kingston 240 gig M.2. Here's like the little sled that it goes in. It doesn't really have grooves or anything like that. It just kind of, after you install it, you kind of just set it in, and then it's gonna like raise up a little bit. So the screw holes and the actual like cutouts are like an oval. This is more like a circle, so you can adjust it. And it'll be attached to this with thermal pads, so it will be raised up a little bit. So here's the 2280. So let's just take off this little. These are kind of hard to take. Okay, that was pretty easy. There we go. So it's starting to come off now. Just on one side or both sides? Both sides. Balls. It's kind of hard to handle this because it kind of wants to stick pretty nicely. So just kind of hook this to a little bit underneath the fingers, just because you don't want to be blocking anything. Okay, just flip it up, and then kind of, no, bad. Okay, kind of stuck it to my table a little bit. Kind of hold it a little bit better than that. Got my elbow in the way, I'm sorry. That was almost good. Oh yeah, that was nice. That was pretty nice. There we go. So that's the bottom part. Just kind of flip this around and give this enough room so it's not gonna touch on both sides, which it won't. And then you're good with that part. Okay, so I got the bottom part of the M.2 chilling right there. Just take the plastic off this little thermal pad. If you're hearing like a buzzing sound, that's going to be a speaker or a subwoofer or something like that. I try to turn them off. They just something's making sounds. There's so many devices in here. Can you come off? Oh, I see you, you little frickin'. Oh, I see you on the other side too. Come on. Okay, now both want to come off, whatever. Okay, so I got one side. I kind of want to do this side. Let's just try that. Okay, let's try to match it. Sorry guys, my camera's battery just died on me, so I just put this thermal pad on, perfectly fine. Oh, here it goes. Look at that. So I took that off and just put this in here. I'll do it so you guys can see. And then use the liner up in the holes, just like that. And you can see the threading in the screw holes, all 4 of them. And you have plenty of room for the fingers and to screw in the screw hole right there on the side. And that's it. Just screwing her in. Yeah, there's not a lot of room to grab this handle right here, but it's enough. It's just like, it's just not a lot. It's so small. Yep, screws. Yeah, I do have an M.2 heatsink that actually doesn't have any screws at all. It's just held on by the thermal pads, which that is a stupid idea, because like it's possible that if you move your PC and then it'll drop and it'll hit something else, your graphics card maybe, if you don't have a back plate on it, and it's just a bad design. Like, come on, screw like mounts for everything. It's like, yeah, it's a couple $1,000 more, but it'd be a guaranteed hold and you're good to go, versus like, oh no, I don't know if I want to buy that because it's gonna fall off, and then nobody buys it. So it's like, come on, I have to do that. All right, so that's what it looks like. Those are the screw holes. So it'll look like this in your PC. You slide it in, and then this will go underneath your memory modules. Your DIMMs are like right up above it, so this will go on the bottom of it, so you won't be able to really see this cable really. It'll blend in with the PCB of your motherboard, so it'll look like it's cableless. It'll look really nice. But yeah, this will be, yeah, that's how you install it. There we go. This is blue. I'm gonna try and make it look like how I see it. Yeah, see, like this default color right here, I can't tell the individual LEDs on it at all. Like it's a little bit brighter in this spot, like up on the top right here, but like that's just like this top is a tiny bit brighter, but not by much. Like the corners, this corner and this corner is a little darker, and you can actually see in the camera, but it looks like fine. You know, it's just not completely like even, but it looks sick. I think it looks amazing, and you know, your build's going to be surrounded by colors and stuff. But yeah, that's just default blue, I guess. I mean, I have the colors my PC all blue lit up, so that's what's happening right now. The BIOS chose it blue, so it actually works well with it. That's baller. But yeah, this already has an RGB heatsink right here. I almost knocked over this mouse pad. That would have been awful. I'm just kidding. So yeah, there's the M.2 heatsink that comes in this with I can't talk. Comes in with this PC, so pretty nice. LEDs on both sides. Pretty sick. It's actually a little bit brighter, I think. A little bit brighter, yeah. This blue. But yeah, there you go, guys. You guys saw how to install an M.2 heatsink and saw it powered on. And this one's dope. I'll have it linked in the description. And yeah, it's more of the expensive ones. They're usually like $15 to $20. This one's like $25, but I think it looks the best. Looks like a little pizza slice. All right, peace out, guys.